Nothing brings comfort and celebration together like a pot of homemade jollof rice. Whether it's Sunday lunch, a small party, or just a craving, this recipe delivers that classic, authentic taste every time. So if you want to learn how to make tasty homemade jollof rice, stick around till the end. Hi, and welcome to Dobby's Signature. For the full list of ingredients, do check the description below. Now, let's get started. To begin, we'll start by getting the perfect tomapep blend. For this, I used chili peppers, also known as shombo, scotch bonnet, also known as rodo, onion, garlic, red bell pepper, also known as tatache, and tomatoes. Remove the seeds from the tatache alone and remove the stalks from the rest. Rinse and blend everything together. Pour the blend into an empty pot and boil till it gets concentrated like this. Set this aside. Place the turkey in an empty pot. Add the chopped onion, salt, bay leaves, allspice, curry powder, rosemary, thyme, seasoning cubes, garlic powder, ginger powder. Cover the pot and cook for about 10 minutes till the turkey gives off its juice. Add water into the pot and cook further for 20 minutes. Next, we'll fry the turkey. I'll be using the same pot used in cooking the turkey for this. Pour the vegetable oil into an empty pot. For flavor, I'll be adding this onion, cut into two, into the oil. I'll also be adding bay leaves and broadleaf thyme for extra flavor. Add the turkey into the oil and fry till golden brown. You can add this into the jollof rice once you start cooking. Reduce the oil in the pot and then add the tomato paste. Stir fry for about 3 minutes till it has a grainy look like this. Add the tomato puree and stir fry for 5 minutes. Add the rinsed rice into the pot and mix. Add the meat stock and mix. You can also add the onion and bay leaf from the fried turkey oil. Cover the pot and leave to cook till soft and your jollof rice is ready. Now you can serve with your favorite sides such as salad, plantain, or anything you like.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Until next time, bye-bye.